In this video, I will show you how to fix a broken downspout and a pipe. I noticed last week when we had a bad rainstorm, we had a pool of water inching towards the basement. So I looked and I realized that this downspout had failed. In order to fix it, I took it off the gutter by sliding it down. You could use a hammer and a board if you need to. And once I noticed that there was a huge hole in it, I tried to cover it with a piece of tape while it was raining, which definitely did not work. Once I took the pipe off, I realized it was full of dirt. So I decided to dig it out, and I dug until I couldn't see dirt anymore, which took me a few minutes. After I dug out all the dirt, I then took the new pipe and put it on the downspout. I realized it was a little short, so I took some snips and cut some of the old pipe where it was still good and added it to the new one to make it fit. So my supervisor here gave his thumbs up of approval and said that should be fine. If you've never done this before, you want to make sure that you measure your downspout and also the pipe that you have on there, because they do have different size pipes wherever you're going to pick this stuff up. So you want to make sure that your pipe is the correct size when you go pick it up from the store. So just for a little bit extra confidence, I decided to put 2 small screws into my downspout in my pipe. This will just help make sure that they stay together. My next door neighbor actually had this pipe come off of his downspout and it actually ended up flooding his basement, so these 2 little screws will help to make sure everything stays together. If this video is helpful for you, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another video over here, and I will see you over there.